Lucy the Elf here again. Today is a special day. We are on day 3 of our 12 days of Christmas wood. Not everybody is lucky enough to have flying reindeer in their backyard. So for this project, we're going to bring the reindeer to you. I'm not joking when I say the only thing you need for this project is a template and one 1x8 board at 6 feet long. I got the template for the design from her tool belt. She's my new elf friend at another workshop. I'll put her link below and you should go check her out. You can cut out whatever reindeer you want. For me, I'm going to cut out my favorite reindeer, and it's not Rudolph. You want a hint? And who's that reindeer with all the moves? It's Dancer, you guys. Dancer's my favorite reindeer. I think that's enough dancing for now. Let's get to the build. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is go to the link below to her tool belt, and you're gonna print off the template for the reindeer. It's gonna come on several pieces of paper, so we're gonna tape them together and then we're gonna cut it out. Wow, I think I broke a sweat cutting all that out. Now that that's done though, we can trace it onto our board. Now you can take this board and you can cut it out with whatever tool that you think is the best. If you would rather use a jigsaw, that would be great. Pieces are cut, we get to sand. My favorite. Alright, this next part can be a little bit intimidating, but the spirit of Christmas in me tells me that you can do it, so don't back down, you guys. Feel free to put your reindeer together with whatever method that you prefer. However, I am going to be using this little pocket hole jig. It's really cheap and simple, and it's going to be an easy way for me to attach my head, my antlers, and my tail to my reindeer body. Watch and see. Santa, we have a problem. Sometimes unexpected things happen, and really it wasn't all that unexpected. I got a huge knot, and sometimes they're not so reliable when you're screwing in wood on wood. So that's why when you're cutting out your reindeer, you want to be away from those knots as much as possible so you don't get something like that happening. Alright, now it's time to put the legs on our reindeer. I'm going to do this by using some wood glue and brad nails to keep it in place. If you don't have brad nails, don't worry, you can use a regular hammer and nails too. I'm going to use the same template that I got from her tool belt, and I'm going to line up the correct legs in the right spot, glue and nail them, and let it dry. Once that's done, I can lift it up and we can attach the back legs. It's probably also going to be useful if you find something with a straight edge to put at the bottom of the feet. That way you know they're going to lay flat and it'll stand when you're all done. Two front legs on, and now we're going to attach our back legs. And to make sure that everything's going to sit flush with the ground, we're going to do this standing our reindeer up. I'm going to line up my reindeer, and I'm going to want it to lay flat with the bottom of the ground. So let's go ahead and glue and nail that in. What do we think? Looks pretty good to me. Okay. How's that look from this side? Looking good.
Wow. That's awesome.
Whoa, that's awesome, says the mini elf. Alright, now we're going to attach the front leg. And we're going to do that the same way. Same thing, glue and nail. Right there. Does that look good to you guys? We did it, you guys. Check that out. Our standing deer. All right. So now that we have it built, you can go ahead and finish it however you like. Let's show you how I do it. I forgot to do it. I guess I'm making a new tail. Wow. And there he is, Dancer. I don't know about you guys, but this is the perfect holiday decoration, and it's super, super cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click on that notification bell for all of our future days of Christmas wood. And just so you know, we're just getting started. So saddle up your reindeer, you guys, because it's gonna get awesome.